Everybody, we're here on Mount Nebo, right there behind us, hiking to the top. How tall is this bad boy?
That's
11,928
feet above sea level.
There you go, the highest mountain on the
Wasatch Front.
Yeah, buddy. Here we go.
Right there.
Should we go to the top?
Yeah, sure.
Let's do it. Here we go. We're gonna do a epic day hike. We're going up there. You can't even see the top.
It retracts before impact, and just like fashion, it's a passion for the with it and hip. If you got the goods, they'll come in buy it just to stay in the click.
Our destination. Look at kid. He's just like, oh, this is amazing. There we go.
6 to 8 years to arrive, and if you follow them, maybe out tomorrow. But if the authors shine, you might as well be walking on the sun. 25 years ago, they spoke out and they broke out of recession and oppression, and together they took and they folk out with guitars around.
Well, we made it to the top. Caden's on the tippy top rock of Mount Nebo. What do you think, dude? How was the hike? Down, but down is the easy part. Sometimes, actually. Sometimes it's harder than you think. Named this and this lady up here. That guy is 73 and the lady is 62, and they are almost to the top of Nebo. I hope I can do that. See them old people up there? What the hell? They're old people. What I want to know is two things. One, why are old people the ones always dying? Can anyone explain that to me? It doesn't make sense. You hear about old people dying all the time. Not nearly as many young people dying. I don't want to hear your answer. It doesn't make sense. The second thing I want to know is, what have you found?
It's a wormit. It's a mix between a cricket and then a worm.
A wormit, huh? So would you like to explain to me how a wormit came about?
I discovered them today.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you then. A wormit, one day there was this cricket hopping along and he saw a worm. Yeah, and he saw that worm and he said, that is a mighty fine worm right there. And they got to know each other and they dated and they got married and then they had sex and they made a wormit. And now Caden's gonna eat their baby. Babies. The Cato ate your baby.